Hello, this is Ed Burke, PlaceForTraders.com for Monday, July 6th. Starting off this September mini S&P. As you well may know, there wasn't any trading on Friday prior to the 4th of July holiday. Also, I didn't do a video on Thursday. On Thursday, we've seen a big sell-off in the market with the September mini S&P closing all the way down at 893 and a quarter. I'm doing something a little bit different. I have weekly charts up here instead of intraday charts. I usually put up intraday charts and go over the prior trading session, what happened. But I wanted to put up these weekly charts. There are some interesting developments. I also have the weekly RSI, and I drew a trend line across this 50% threshold on the weekly relative strength index. But you can see here a little bit of divergence with the last two highs between price and the indicators here on the relative strength index. Also, you may want to note we're breaking through that 50% threshold on the weekly RSI, which could indicate a bearish market. Now, right here, we closed at 893 and a quarter on Thursday. Right here around the 875 level, we see some support in the September mini S&P. Interestingly enough, tomorrow's second line of support is down at 875 exactly. That's the next line of support. I think if we broke through the 875 level in the September mini S&P, which is still a little ways off, obviously, with the market closing at 893 and a quarter on Thursday, you could see a big sell-off in the market. I am leaning towards Monday being a bearish day. I've said it before, of course, but when we have sell-offs, but I'm looking for the market to be bearish. Of course, we still follow the numbers. If of course, the market rallies on Monday and we break over this pivot level of 902.75, then of course it's considered a bullish market. But by all other indicators, like momentum indicators, like the relative strength index, looks like it might be a bearish day on Monday. I'm looking at the first line of support, 884 and a quarter. The first line of resistance, 912 even. The second line of resistance, 929 and a half. I also have some weekly numbers. The weekly pivot is 906 and a quarter. Weekly first line of support, 892 and a half, which is very close to Thursday's settlement of 893 and a quarter. And then the second line of weekly support is just under tomorrow's second line of daily support. The second line of weekly support is 871 and a quarter. For resistance, we have the first line of weekly resistance way up at 927 and a half. The second line of weekly resistance, 941 and a half. One number that comes out 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, you have the ISM services number come out. The expectation is for a reading of 46. That's all I have for this evening. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't gone to my website as of yet, it's PlaceForTraders.com. You can go on there and sign up for the free alerts. Thanks a lot and good trading.